Chongqing Zotion Dentistry Technology Company Limited, established in 2009, is a professional engaged in the research, development, production, sales, and service of dental zirconia block, 5-axis dental CAD/CAM milling machine, dental fast centering furnace for zirconia block, dental vacuum cleaner. We are located in Chongqing, southwest of China, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, ISO 13485, etc. certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as France, Italy, Germany, Russia, Vietnam, Egypt, Libya, South Africa, Brazil, Mexico, Turkey, Azerbaijan, etc. We also welcome OEM orders. Zotion brand constantly adhered to development ideas from the technical to artistic, from standard to regulate, and from better to best. The core values that our company pursues always are based on the first-class quality, strong technical strength, and advanced service concept, which lead us to provide quality products and services to users and the whole industrial. We confirmed that the spirits of proactive, rigorous enterprise technological innovation ideas, combined with modern enterprise business model closely centered on the two cores, talent and technological innovation, are our power source to keep pace with the times and expand rapidly.